Good day, my listeners. Welcome to my page, my channel, Webinar React Tech. Today, I want to teach how to save your data from consumption. Some are messaging me, some are asking me some questions, saying that when they load their airtime and buy data from it, a little while those data will vanish. It's because they fail to do one thing with their Android device. So today, I want to teach about data saving app. What you should do whenever your data is fast vanishing, disappearing. When you load maybe 750 megabyte or 500 megabyte or 1 gig of data, a little while those data you will not see it again, and what you use it for, you cannot give account of it. Now, the cause of all these things is because you neglected one app called Saving Data app. Make sure it is always on whenever your data is on. This saving data, you can get it from two places. Either you come down like this, you go to your icon bars, look at it from the top. Look at this app is very important on your phone. Make sure it is always on. Some phone came with it and some did not come with it. Those phones that came with it, always put it on. It safeguards your data not to be vanishing. Whenever it is when it turns green, it is on. When it turns darker, it is off. I've off it. Whenever it is on, your hotspot can never work. This is an important message. Whenever your data saver is on, you put it on. This your hotspot that you use to connect with other phone for Wi-Fi can never on unless you turn it off. Look at it. I can put my hotspot on and off. You understand? I can off it now. It's off. When it is on, your hotspot can never on. Now, whenever you want to browse, make sure it is on. You open your Facebook, you open your other apps. It will consume normally, not very fast like that. So it is, my own is on. You can get it from top bar. You can also get it from your setting. Open your setting. You search it through your setting page. Come to network and internet. You move down to data usage. You click on it. Look at this data usage. You click on it. When you click on it, you come to data saver. You can turn it on like this. You can turn it off. You can turn it on and turn it off. Now it's on. Now it is off. My own is on. Now you can also check other apps that are consuming your data and turning them off. Those apps that you are not using regularly, you come to this place and open. You search it, search those apps. This one now, you can open it. Is running underground and eating some of your data. You can turn it off. You will not be consuming your data again. Most of these apps are consuming my data, so you turn them on or off. Now from this page, you can also put your mobile data on. turn it on not only from the top bar. You can turn it on from here. It is on. My mobile data is on. You can turn it off. This data warning limit is when you set a limit whereby when your data passes those limits, you should get a notice. Maybe I set my own to 2 gig. Look at it. Whenever it is 2 gig, give me an alert. So you can set your own to know what to do. So these are the importance of these apps. Now, if your phone doesn't come with this data saving app, what you should do is simply go to your Play Store. You sign okay. You go to your Play Store and download this app. Look at this app now. This particular app here is the app I found on the Play Store. It's very active. It can also be saving your data without any problem. Look at these apps that are taking up my data. This particular app is fighting so hard to keep them not to be running my data down. I can close it from here. I can on it from here also. When I on it, look at the symbol like key. Look at this symbol like key. I can off it. That symbol like key has turned off. I can on it. So this app is another strong app you can get from your Play Store. Data Saving Plus. You move to your Play Store like this. You type Data Saving Plus. Look at it. It has opened. So this is how to run this, and make sure that your data is very safe, not consuming so fast. With this simple app and others data, you can also find other data saver app saver. Okay, I can put my data on, not on, and search them. Data saver. My internet is still connecting. That app, internet saving app I turned on, the one I downloaded, is very strong. It might be the one holding my internet not to be working, not to be connecting very fast. Let me turn it off and check back what is happening. I've turned it off like this. Let's check if my internet will connect very fast. Look at it, has connected very fast. You see the words, you see the function of this Data Saving Plus, what it can do. My internet is totally blocked. Until I turn it off, everything opens. Look at this one, is very good also. This one is good, this one is good, this one is good also. So I don't want to go much on this. Thank you very much for your listening. Make sure you subscribe, you share this message, you comment and ask questions. If I have any answer, I'll give you. Thank you very much. Bye bye until we meet next time.